To turn on or turn off ticking sound in Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, open settings, swipe up the screen, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, tap sounds and vibration, and then scroll down sounds and vibration screen, find system sounds, and then tap system sound. To turn on ticking, tap switch until blue, or to turn off, tap switch until gray. Tap switch until blue to turn on, or tap switch until gray to turn off ticking sound. You will hear a ticking sound of your watch face support it. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.